Nothing brightens your day quite like a great smile, no matter if you're the one smiling or you're on the receiving end. That simple gesture is what motivates my guest today. He and his team want to help you find your best smile possible. So I am joined now by Dr. Bill Thompson with Grandview Dental Care, an office that has been around for quite some time. So I want to thank you for being here on Daytime, Bill.
Well, thank you for having us, Robin. Yes, I started Grandview Dental Care in 1978 in Grandview Avenue, and we've undergone some expansion and changes, but we've remained on Grandview Avenue all this time.
And there are a lot of dental offices, as we know, in Central Ohio. So what do you think makes Grandview Dental Care really stand apart from the rest?
I think it's our staff, that they're friendly, they're highly competent, well-trained. Our patients are always complimenting us on how nice our staff is and how well treated they are.
And as I was scrolling through your webpage, I noticed one certain staff member at the bottom of the page there. You have an office dog named Prada. So why do you decide that that's an important part of the team?
Prada mainly works behind the scenes, and she really works well as a morale booster sometimes for us. And she's always happy to get treats, too.
And if there is a situation where maybe she's requested, if you have a nervous child a lot of times, I'm sure that they love just seeing a friendly doggy face there in the office.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
Okay, so let's talk about the world of dentistry, because it has changed dramatically since
Very
1978 and in recent years as well. So what drives you and your team to kind of continue that education on a daily basis?
Our desire to provide our patients with the very best in dental care. I am really passionate about giving patients a great smile and giving patients the ability to chew and function as they should be able to. With the technology that we have today, we're able to place dental implants either for a single missing tooth or for all of the teeth if they're all missing. So technology has advanced dramatically since I began practice.
And I imagine that the technology makes the entire experience on both sides better.
It does. It makes it more predictable. With predictability, we're able to be more efficient, and really patients like to spend the least amount of time in the chair as possible.
Exactly, and the fact that you know that is great.
Yeah.
All right, doctor, let's talk about one of the newest things in the industry as well. It is called a cone beam 3D X-ray, which sounds really fancy. So what is this?
Well, it is really fancy, and it's cutting edge technology. It's similar to your CAT scans for medical use, except there's a whole lot less radiation. But the difference is it tells us exactly the shape and the size of the patient's jaw that we're working with. If we're placing one implant, we can see exactly how much bone we have to work with to place the implant. If we're placing multiple implants, then it allows us to plan exactly where these need to be placed then. So when we place implants, we place them with computer-generated surgical guides. They're very, very precise and very successful.
So you have the technology, you have the staff, and I want to mention that you also try very hard to care for the entire family. You guys, you know, from the kids to the grandparents, in Grandview Dental Care, it's really a community, isn't it? The feel of the office? We've
always been a family dental practice, and it's been fun for me through the years to watch, you know, the kids from age 3 grow up and have their own kids, and so it's been a lot of fun to see the whole continuum.
Are you accepting new patients right now?
Absolutely. We've always have been accepting new patients.
Okay, then let us know. How do you book a consultation? When should somebody come in and say, all right, I want to be a part of this whole team?
Well, just call the office, and we'll schedule an appointment for consultation, examination, cleaning.
All right, Dr. Thompson, Grandview Dental Care. We've had the web and phone up on screen, so I want to thank you for being here.
Well, thank you very much, Robin.